Hello Philippines, welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how to produce fruit in mulberry tree or Illinois mulberry up to 7 times a year, or continuous fruiting for all year round. The technique I discovered is defoliation and dormancy. Let's teleport! This is our mulberry farm, the first in the Philippines, which we harvest fruit every day, all year round. In plant physiology, we have 2 systems. First, growing. Second, production. If you look to the tip of every shoot, there is an auxin hormone development. Therefore, the plant grows continuously. If we remove away this auxin hormone, the result will be fruit production. But how we can remove this and which part we should be removed? Defoliation means removing immature part of the plant, including leaves, shoots, and auxin hormone producer area. Dormancy is the process which will take place after defoliation, including flower induction in the buds. The result is fruit production. We have 2 types of defoliation. First, natural defoliation. Second, scientific defoliation or man-made defoliation. Natural defoliation is limited and depends to environment. When the temperature breaks down to cool and sun no longer is available, a piece of starch will close the axil of the leaves. Here, water and nutrient from the tree cannot move to the leaves. By that time, the leaves will discolorate and it loses its greening. It will come different color, like for example yellow, pink, orange. That's why when fall we see the leaves of the trees, they get very beautiful color. For us it's so nice to look, but for them they are suffering for food, and that's why they fall. Dormancy will take place almost 4 to 6 months. Within this time, the flower will take place inside in the bag. We look to the tree is like a dead tree, but there is lot of phenomenon developed within the tree, which is buds produce flower when the tree is asleep or dormancy. We call it process of dormancy after defoliation by nature. But scientific defoliation is unlimited. Under tropical condition, we can defoliate anytime we want. Dahil sa Pilipinas tayo, wala tayo autumn or fall season, the technique for defoliation which I discovered is the best, because we blessed by sunlight and photosynthesis. Not only once but also 7 times a year we can produce fruit in Illinois mulberry. I have mature and dormant buds up to half. Therefore, what I will do, I will cut. I remove the auxin hormone away, but this is not enough to produce fruit. There is another important thing. These leaves are responsible to feed the tree. Therefore, what will happen? The plant not feeling hungry, and the plant will not respond to the buds to flush out. The second matter is to cut the leaves and stop the plant from photosynthesis. Kung titignan ninyo, itong branch na ito, 45 days old siya. Ganyan haba siya. Tuloy ko yung kalate. Sa maturity niya, up to kalate lang. Ngayon, natapos ang hati ko na ito para wala siya grow. Tinanggal ko na din dahon niya para wala siya nutrient. Parang gutom siya. During these 2 weeks, they will storage nutrient. And after 2 weeks, they will flush out with a large flower and large fruit. We can do this every 45 days or after every harvest. If we keep the immature part also and remove only leaves, the flower will be very small and the fruit are very small and non-economical. Every branch you have just like this. Every branch you have, just you make it half. Any height you have, you make it half. Any height. If the height is just only 4 inches, you make it also half, 2 inches. If the height is 1 meter, you make it half. Therefore, you don't need to look if the bud is mature or not. Just the measurement is half the stem is mature. Therefore, the mature one will stay and immature one will be removed. Now, we look. This we did to our tree, which are now 5 years old. We can do this also to the temperate countries. This is my 9 years old tree. Look, 3 yes, 4 trunks, and each trunk divided specific area to keep highly amount of photosynthesis to move between the branch, fruit and leaves to get maximum production. In the schedule of fruit production, if you look, some of our trees, the fruit is mature but it's still not fully ripe. The trees are defoliated already because we are hurry for next crop season. It should be in right schedule. As you can see, yung pinaputulan natin or pruning natin 3 weeks ago, wow, na yung purong bunga na. Kaya saan nakikita mo? Nako, purong bunga. Ayan. Bulaklak pala yan ha. Pantayin natin, lahat may bunga. Ang ganda. Nice weather. Lahat ng pruning ko may bunga na. Dapat ganyan din sa inyo. fruit everywhere you look are fruit, ready to harvest. That concludes our lessons for today about defoliation and dormancy. I hope you learned something from us today. If you have any question, feel free to comment down. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Bye-bye!